In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PNG to SVG. This process can be incredibly useful when you want to scale your images without losing quality. A PNG, you see, is a pixel-based image, which means it can become pixelated when enlarged. On the other hand, an SVG is a vector file made up of shapes and paths, allowing it to be resized smoothly. You can't just save as SVG and expect a perfect result. Instead, we usually need to trace or vectorize the image. Let's dive into method 1, which is using an online converter. This is the easiest way and is particularly suited for simple logos or icons. First, you'll need to go to an online converter. Some popular choices include Adobe Express PNG to SVG, Convertio, and svgmaker. These platforms are user-friendly and don't require you to install any software, making them very convenient. Once you have selected your preferred converter, the next step is to upload your PNG file. This will typically involve clicking an upload button and selecting your file from your device. Remember, this method is best for straightforward images like logos and icons. The simplicity of these images translates well into vector format. After uploading your file, click on the Convert button. The converter will then process your image. This is the moment when the magic happens. The software will trace your image, converting it from pixels to paths and shapes. It's a quick process, often taking only seconds. With the conversion complete, you'll be prompted to download your new SVG file. Click the Download button and the file will be saved to your device. This step ensures your changes are saved and your new file is ready for use. A key benefit of using an online converter is speed. It's fast and doesn't require any additional software installation. However, it's important to note that this method works best for simple images. Complex, detailed photos may not convert well and could end up looking messy or unusable as SVGs. This limitation arises because SVGs are made up of shapes and paths rather than pixels. For logos, icons, and flat drawings, you'll get good SVG results. For photos, however, this method might not be ideal. Here's an important tip to keep in mind. Not all PNGs will convert beautifully. Logos, icons, and flat drawings typically yield the best results. On the contrary, detailed photos often don't translate well to SVG format. That's because SVGs are structured differently. They're built from shapes and paths, which don't capture the nuances of pixel-based photos. As you explore this process, remember that practice makes perfect. Experiment with different converters and images to get a feel for what works best. Over time, you'll develop an eye for which images will convert beautifully and which ones might need a bit more work. Thank you for joining me in this session on converting PNG to SVG. By following these steps, you'll be able to convert your images quickly and effectively. Whether you're working on graphic design projects or simply want to improve your digital art, mastering this skill will be a valuable asset. Until next time, happy converting!